In this lesson, we will see together the possessive pronouns, but we will see more precisely les leurs. So, of course, the question is, what are the possessive pronouns? Well, they replace a noun previously mentioned to avoid repetition. This is the concept of the pronouns in French to replace a noun that was mentioned. They are used to indicate ownership or possession. So that's the important thing, and that's the reason why we call them possessive pronouns. And the last thing that is quite important, they agree in gender and numbers with the thing or things being possessed. So you will have to choose your pronouns according to the gender and the number of the things they replace. So this lesson is about les leurs. And the possessive pronoun les leurs can be translated into English as theirs, their own, or their ones, depending on the context. But keep in mind that les leurs will be masculin, féminin, but definitely it is pluriel. So we'll see some examples with les leurs. Vos suggestions sont valables, mais les leurs sont plus pertinentes. Vos suggestions sont valables, mais les leurs sont plus pertinentes. Nos idées sont intéressantes, mais les leurs sont plus novatrices. Nos idées sont intéressantes, mais les leurs sont plus novatrices. Nos méthodes fonctionnent bien, mais les leurs sont plus efficaces. Nos méthodes fonctionnent bien, mais les leurs sont plus efficaces. Vos propositions sont bonnes, mais les leurs sont exceptionnelles. Vos propositions sont bonnes, mais les leurs sont exceptionnelles.